Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is June 11th, 2021. And I already did my trades today, so I'm just doing the intro for you guys. So, on the risk disclaimer, all forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty. And actually, I'm going to go to that page, and then I'll go to the main. Perfect. Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. I don't know why you can't see me, but anyways, morning. And what we're going to do, let me just switch here. Oh, maybe I should do this. Aha. Anyways, good morning. And what I'm going to, oh yeah, what I should do. Sorry, I am rambling today. There we go. Okay, so what I want to show you is just one of the charts today, and this is the trades I've taken. You'll see it. And then my screen locked up. And what I'm going to do is, because I am done trading for today, I want to know where the market is now. And we'll find out right away here if I was correct or if I was wrong. So as you can see, I wrapped up with 365 today, and it's been ugly, guys. This is, you know, these are the trading days you just want to just. It's just choppy. There's no rhythm. You try to feel the market, and it's just, yeah, it's terrible. And ooh, lucky I did close. I was shooting for 78, and I cashed out anyways. I wasn't feeling comfortable right here where it's vibrating. This thing really took a turn. Now 3-minute chart. There we go. So basically, what I want to show you is this morning when I was trading. I'm using. Yeah, she topped out here. So what I'm using is I'm using a combination of things that some of the guys on the Discord told me to investigate, and I'm using this, which I think is a really good tool that these guys found online. And so I put the template. It is up in the Discord. I call it volume profile, I think. And then I'm using a combination of two things. I'm using, well, a few of them. I have, of course, the high volume bars to see where the high volume resistance is. So she's breaking down now. And if she breaks down past here, guys, I might actually even put another live trade in, because this, if it does break this is where it's supposed to fall out. Oh yeah, no, it has to break this line here. And if she starts breaking here, then we can get to interband 1, possibly interband 2. See, 67 is actually hitting here. So from this target, it will probably hit here, maybe bouncing. Might be a range bound day. And it's really early on the turn. So, but as you can see, this whole from 9:30 to 10:30, look how ugly it is. It's been sitting right by the market maker, flirting up, flirting down, flirting up, flirting down. And here, possibly because we are, so step 1, step 2, but we are at new highs, or not new highs, but we're flirting with the high. But if we go to a 30-minute chart here, look at the gap from here to here. It's a beautiful gap, but it needs to break down. It needs to break down this level. If it breaks down, then we probably can get interband 1, interband out, possibly to the prior open. If that's the case, that's a cash-in day. But I've been waiting and waiting, and I just nickel and dime through here. So, but other than that, the indicators, if you guys are interested so you can understand, I'm using as just go to the volume profile template, and I'll go to Discord so you know. Discord. Come on. Gotta get over. So I think it's in chart templates. Yeah, it's right here. Our order flow volume profile, and it's, let me see here, cycle, test, fib time. I think it's maybe not this one, but it's, I know this, these two templates for sure. You got to install, and this one. Once you install this, you can load up the template, and then you'll have that that screen. Okay, that's the first thing, and then that will give you the MP, VP, all those. And then I'm using market open, momentum panel, volume bars, interband, and prior day open, high, low, close. Oh, that might be in the template there as well. Those are the 4 I'm using right now. You can see how she's pulling down a little bit more. Other than that, yeah, and it's really interesting. You can use it for it. Doesn't matter which instrument you use it for. But if it does work well, yes, look at that high volume. What time was that? Oh, that's 7 a.m. These are half-hour candles. Yeah, if it does break down here, then we're good. It's been flirting too much within this range-bound zone. And as you can see, when she does, we've got all this space to fill in. Other than that, just make sure you guys just pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care. And I'll connect the other video as well. Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. This is Mike. I'll do the risk disclaimer. I'll add that in the beginning. I'm already kind of trading. I've been sleeping in quite a bit lately, and what I'm trying to do is, these markets has been so ugly. We haven't had many runner days, and what I want to show you here, before I'm going to show you hopefully my my trade here. If you take a look at this, guys, this is just nasty. Here, actually, YM is doing a setup, but it's been moving too slow. It's been really choppy. Same thing with RTY. There has just been nothing, because we've been, you know, in up and down trends, up and down. I don't know. It's just ugly trading this time of year compared to, and then it was really volatile this winter. So it's frustrating. Like, there's no beautiful rhythms. But what I want to show you today is what I'm trying to do is, on the Discord, some of the guys, you know, they've been chatting. So I've been looking at their volume profile, because I did the volume profile on my previous ones with day trend and all, or not day trend, but daily cycle markers and etc. etc. And we're starting, I think we're starting on the sell phase. I'll have to take a look again. But I'm using some of my old indicators, such as the momentum panel, have interbands, thick ranges, time scanners, just trying to sniff everything out. So with this trade today, I'm waiting for, I guess, the interband to close to find out where the position is. And as you can see, the momentum panel has been dropping down. It's starting to turn up, so we're waiting for a retracement where this 57 marker is. And everything is grouped up with the market maker. And maybe we can get a trade up to here to the 117, but it's just so ugly. I think it might fade down, but there's just too much volume here. Because if you look at, I'm going to switch this to a 30-minute chart here for a second. We have, see on the 30 minutes still pulling down. And with pulling down and holding, you know eventually it's going to go up. So it needs some time for it to pull back up because it's not following the rhythm. See, up, went up, down, hold. But as you can see, day in, day out, it's just been very, very, very just ugly. And it's holding within this range. And as you can see, last night, it looks like it was last night. Yeah, it was. It really did a pull down. Oh no, that was 2 days ago. So right here, it's been so range bound. It's trying to break other direction. And if it does, then great. And if not, we'll find out. But if it does break down, then we have a nice pull down. Because look at this big gap here. And here's where all the other market makers are. So I really want it to break down, actually past this line, the open range low. Because now it's flirting with the open range high. But if it wants to pull up, we have to get to, let's go back to the 5-minute chart here. I want to see what it looks like in 3. I actually didn't even take a look at that 3-minute. Maybe 3 minutes a little easier to read. Interesting. Oh, where did it break? Oh, I should have traded maybe the 3-minute. Oh well. I'll put it back to 5 where I was originally looking at, so we'll go back to 5. I need it to come down here, that we can get to our target. I think I'll start trading 3. 3 is actually curling easier. You get some more read patterns. So for this video today, I'll stick to 5. But yeah, it's a really ugly whippy day. It's been sitting so, like, if you can tell, like, you know what I'm going to do? Let's go like this. Basically from market open till now. Yeah, the volume point of control is right on the market maker too. It's so ugly. We're above the 64 line. If we can get down to 57, would be great. Let's see what 3 minutes says. Again, I really like that 3-minute chart. See how I did a really big, deep pullback here? And then we could, oh, look at that, was so ugly anyways. Right at 10 o'clock. There was that sell-off, rebound. Flirting 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. She's going to pop this. And I'd love to see it pull down. 10:15, so. Yeah, see, this is where most of the big money is right here. 10:18. Out here. Now see if we can get a big strong pull down, get into this level here. I want a little bit farther. I want to get down to here, market maker again, and then we can buy in. We were one tick short on that one. And this move is nice. So we with this thing moving up like this, hopefully we can get back to our market maker. It's just rejecting right past that zone one more time. And then we'll go just before 1900 here. Bummer.
Order filled.
Okay, and then we'll put a target
Order submitted.
just before the first target one here. What was it? 89, 925. I'll go 88 here. We'll front run it. I really wanted to get this level here. And then in about a few minutes, we'll find out where interband 1 is, which we're going to hit anyway. So and then we can use that as a target. If it does come down here, I'll buy in, cash out the first one, break even, and then go in for the second one. It almost touched it twice. Son of a gun. So 10.25 to 11.35 is supposed to be going up anyways. I would like to know where interband 1 is. If interband 1 is 123, I'll move this to 123. Let's see if we can get down here, grab and go. Let's see. want this bar to close so I can turn around, enter in here, and go up. That's what I'm trying to do. We're at 25. Oh, we're fine. Okay. Here's your first pull down of the top to go up. So I'm going to see if I can do it.
Order filled.
Okay. So basically I bought at the bid here. It doesn't show it, but this is where I bought it at. And then it will come back here. We'll cash out the first one. Touching interband, which is fine. And we get to 78. It's going to go up to 123. That was our pull down. And then where are we at? 25. Okay, here we go. Three minutes. Okay. Let's just display from there. But 3 minutes before I know exactly where the inner band closes. See, they grabbed at the bottom of this market maker right here, grabbed a few more ticks here, cashed out. Now they're going to push it up. But what I don't, 250, even if I get $250, I'll be at 5 today. So let's see what happens here. We're going to get to the top of the inner band once again. Let them push. They're going to do one more push here. We got one more minute for a big push here. Because my interband is starting right in 1 minute here, so I like to see where the targets are. Okay, our interband marker is where? Take a look now. Right at 78. So I was wrong. It was just right below here, like I said, where I was front running earlier.
Order filled.
I'll just close it. It's not playing the way I want it. It should have popped by now. Anyways, I finished up with 365. I did take too much heat on here. I should have waited. But what I'm finding out is with the indicator that I learned, look how it just dropped right away. It's back into the mid-range. It's just playing around. It's going to pop up, though. It'll go up to here eventually. But I'm already in profit. Well, I don't want to give the markets back my profits. But as you can see this green zone? I was watching it. What I think I'm going to do, I'm going to write a manual on it. Because the markets are so terrible. Let's see if I can open it up so you can see it actually. I can't. Let's focus on it. Huh. Now my screen's locked. Go figure. What I notice is there's two bars here. As soon as the first cash is done, you can use this as a range bound for trading for the tops and the bottoms. That's what I've noticed. And let me see if I am totally locked up. So anyways, I'll shut down the video and I'll put that on the Discord just to see what happened. Because right now we're at we've been flirting with highs for so long, and the market's been unstable. The market actually has been terrible for myself. It's just because there's no rhythm. You know, for a number of years, it's just we had nice wave patterns. Right now, it looks like the market's finally stalling out. But I don't know. It's just ugly. Other than that, I'll upload this video. And I know there's not much education today. I'm sorry, guys. And I was waiting for the interband pop, but you have to use a little bit of intuition, the gut feeling, saying, is the energy going the way it is? And if it's not, just shut her down. Put your profits, put it in the bank, and away you go. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care.